Thank you very much, Jaydev. It's an honor to be here. This is my 32nd ICRA. How many of you were born that far back? And I can't show you videos because none of these robots really took off. So I don't have, I have some really embarrassing videos. 8 octa-rotor omnidirectional vehicle, which did take off, but it always had a bed of red and blue balloons to land on in case it crashed, and it inevitably crashed many. Feedback loop was really functional, which has to the commercial UAV drones, which are just coming down the hype cycle, mostly coming from LiDAR. More recent work that through this building community we've helped able to navigate rather than look at things, or as you'll see in a minute,